this is an online banking script you would want to get here, and it has so many features like your loan features. Yeah, now it can make crypto deposits. If you want to deposit, you can use crypto deposits. You see the activities and everything. So let's say we want to make deposit, we have inflow, we have outflow and everything. So we click on deposit money, then we click on mobile deposit. Now we can deposit using crypto. We put the amount you want to deposit, you select the account, if it is savings, it is current account you want to deposit on. Then you select the mode of payment, whether Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then you copy your wallet. And once you copy your wallet, you want to upload proof of payment. So you click on browse and you select the proof of payment. After making payment, then you put your account pin and you make your deposit. Immediately you make your deposit, admin is going to get a notification that you've deposited. Admin will be needful. You can as well check your deposit with your proof of payment and track your deposit. Now, these are the transaction aspects. Let's say you want to make a transfer. If you want to make a transfer, you can use local transfer, you can do wire transfer and everything. So the good aspect is it's going to ask you for your account PIN. Now, this side is your credit card. You want to see your credit card, and this is loan, sweet part. You want to apply for loan, you put the loan amount you want to apply and everything, account statements and everything. So this script is powerful. So let me just quickly go to the admin dashboard and show you how the admin dashboard work. Now this is your admin dashboard. Let's say you want to credit a user. All you need to do is click on credit. You select the user, then you select the funding account. You can even backdate the transaction to any year you feel like. You put the amount and you put the description and you credit. Now you want to create transaction, maybe wire transaction and everything. That is card. You want your bank transaction. If someone make a deposit via crypto, you click on that place, it will appear here. Then on the action side, you take an action. That's where your users are, and your SMTP. Now this aspect, if you want to create crypto options, so you can add new and add other crypto options there. Now these are your system settings. This is how everything works. Now if you want a situation where you want them to be receiving billing code, you can as well just activate the billing code then. Then once they want to make transaction, it will ask them for passcode, it will ask them for IMF code, and it will ask them for COT code. So it is awesome. It is awesome. So let's say you get this very script here. Now how do you really install this very script? Let me quickly navigate through how you can install this very script in case you get it from us. First thing, you upload the script, then you extract the script. Now delete the zip file because we no longer need the zip file. Open the folder. Make sure you move the upload.zip to your main domain. Remember, you can use only standalone domain. You can't use a folder. You can create a subdomain and you can use a standalone domain. Then go back and extract the upload.zip. You need to extract it. Close. All right, that's perfect. Then you can delete the zip file because we no longer need a very zip file. So the next thing, we want to create our database. Click on database and create your database. So I'm just going to copy the same name and use it for my username. I create my password. And I'll create my user. Click on that all privileges and make changes. make sure to copy your database name and username because we want to make it of it. Then come to this place, go and open this configuration folder. You will see config.php, right click and edit it. Now on our database username, we want to put down a copy on our database, fix the username we created, and the password, your database password. You put your database password that you created. Now scroll up, make changes to the name of your website. I'm just going to put demo bank. Then the URL, change the URL to your URL. Then come to the email, change the email to the official email you created, because this is what will enable us to be sending email. And you can as well make changes to your phone number. You can change your phone number, and once you are done, you click on save. Now we want to upload our SQL file. Type php myadmin. It will take you to the PHP myadmin environment. Then before they come to this place, come to this SQL folder, then download this very database.sql. So let's go back to our PHP environment. Then click our database name, click on import, choose the database we created and import it. Now we are done. So one last thing, we are going to change our PHP version. It depends on the kind of hosting you are using. I am using Namecheap for this program. So if you are using Namecheap, just change your PHP version to 7.3 and 8.0. But if you are using other, so as you can see, our site is up and running. Just load your site and you see everything will be like this. If you click on login, you see everything is perfect. Click create an account. So let me just quickly run through and create an account. Is that okay? All right, this is the admin dashboard. So let me quickly create an account. Let me quickly pause this video and create an account. All right, as you can see, I've created my account. I'll click on get started. You see I have inputted my 6-pin number. All right, so I've created my account. It's going to redirect me to my dashboard. Then I'll put my 6-digit PIN. And voila, we are here. As you can see, we've logged into our dashboard. So this is awesome. If you need this very script, click the link below this video and get this very script.